I'm gonna start off by importing the scanner class. Gonna do the main method here, then initialize the scanner object, then my variables, which are my characters, my integer, which is answer. Then we're gonna pause here. So the charAt, the zero index, is gonna read the first letter of my name. Then I'm gonna ask the user, do you have a name? If so, then gonna use the if statements. So inside the if statement, if the answer is 1, then we're gonna take the user's second name. And this is where we're gonna take the first character of the second name using the char also. charAt, character add. Then I'm gonna say your initials are, gonna say first name plus second name. I'm gonna use the else if the user says no, then we're just gonna take the initials of the first name, then not take the second name. Then after doing that, I'm gonna run our code. So here we are, we're gonna enter our name, which is Dumelo, it's my first name. Then 1 for yes, second name is code, for example. Thank you for tuning in.